Hello viewers, I hope all you are fine. Today we are going to learn UI design for Task Manager. So, so, so I want to tell them that who don't know, this is a link where all the code is available. You can copy code for all the design I have created in YouTube. You can easily copy from here. Let me tell you that what is I want to give. Little brief of the task manager app. The task manager app is a process of monitoring your project task. Admin will assign you a task and user will change tasks according to their status. So uh, my emulator is not working, so I have created a video. Let's look at it. Um, this is welcome page, this is dashboard, and this is activity page. And on this click I will get task detail. You can search a task from here, this recent task, what the task is given for today and what task will be upcoming. So these are the page I have we are going to learn today. So let's see this page. This is image and these two label and button, and this image is kept in frame. So main container is grid. The grid have frame. Under the frame it is have image. Box view. Uh, your box view height will be set in the row definition only. If you set in box view, it will not set. So set value of height in row definition. And this two label. And on the button click, we will go to dashboard. Let's see dashboard page. This is dashboard page. There are two buttons, check activity, and this is a list of tasks that is assigned to the user by admin. And this is the team, those who are working on this project. This is project name, and this is the name of the team that are working for that project. This is project review and the status of that project. So, I have set background, image source, and navigation bar as equal to false. Under grid, I have taken these two labels, and number third row have frame. Inside frame, I have added a label for project name, and this label is for username. Number of users or developer of the project that are managing. And this is a image circle. So in image circle you have to add frame. Under frame you can add image. The frame should be corner radius is equal to 100, so it will look image as a round shape. And this control has property, corner radius, frame height, width, and image, and what will be the border color. So corner radius is 100. If you set 100, you can view image as a round. And also set margin 30, so it will overlap on one another. Another is project review, and at the left side it will be a label and right side image. On this image, click My Task page will be open. We will discuss this page later. And for this 4 square, I have used grid control. In grid control, I have created a new control called frame view. This has frame control and 2 label, and it has corner radius is equal to 10. So I added 4 frame view, and this frame view has property for to set this to label text value. I will show you. This is frame height and text description and text number. So this is 22 is text number and done is text description. And at the last I have added button which has corner radius is equal to 30. If you don't want to use corner radius, it's okay, it's up to you. And third design is My Task. My Task will page will open when you click on this. So okay, this is the frame. In the frame there is the label, and this is text box. I have created custom text box. I will show you how to write code for it. And this is label. This is 3 buttons. On 3 when you click on this button, and if you switch this button, this list view will change. So this is 2 label. Under the frame I have added label, and this is custom entry. This is I have created this custom entry. I have created property for it, and it is a you also have to write code in Android project. The custom entry renderer. Just copy and paste it in your project. I will share link of code in description section. You can copy from that link. So an important thing, this you have to write this line, otherwise it will not work. After I have added 3 buttons in same row, and then list view. The list view of both list view templates are different, so I have taken list view in same row. On the button click, it will change the list view visibility. So I will show you how it is working. This is when you click on the recent, the list view look is like this. and when you click on today or upcoming, the list view is like this. I have created template for both. In frame, I have added grid having label, progress bar, and two label which show status and the progress. And I have created class for it. The class having this property, and set this property and add to the list and return that list to that list view. And on the recent click or upcoming click, I have set same template. So I have created this function which have time, comment, and image. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this time, comment, and image. Okay. In this, I have on the click on the button what will affect on the list view. So I have written code for it. If button name is recent, then it will show my task template. Otherwise, it will show another template. Yeah, task view template. Else, it will show new task view template. Then after this is an activity at what time user have done. So this is like a timeline. This is box view which has width 1, and this is image circle, and this is frame. Under frame there are two labels. I have used a list view for it, and this is track view. This is box view which show line of width 1, and this is frame view, and this frame is corner radius is equal to 100, so it will show in circle image. So in track activity, property are time, comment, and image, and set value to that class and return list, and set this list as a item source of that list view, like this. So you will get result as same. Hope you understand all this page. If you have any question, please ask me in comment section. If you want any new page, or if you want any UI design, please share with me. I will work on it and create video for it. Thank you.